Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce credit card fees with Stripe, full guide step by step clearly. To reduce credit card fees with Stripe, start by creating a Stripe account if you haven't done so already. Once you have your account set up, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the settings section of your dashboard. Look for the Payments tab and click on it. Under the Payments tab, review the different pricing plans available. Select the plan that best suits your business needs. Consider switching to a volume-based pricing model if your transaction volume is high. Take the time to evaluate your current transaction fees. Check if your fees are based on a tiered pricing model or a flat rate. If you process a large number of transactions, it may be beneficial to negotiate custom rates. Reach out to Stripe support to inquire about the possibility of custom pricing. Provide details about your transaction volume and business model to make your case. Another way to reduce fees is to implement automated recurrent billing. Using Stripe's billing features can help manage subscriptions smoothly. Additionally, consider using ACH payments for high-value transactions. ACH payments typically come with lower fees compared to credit card transactions. Make sure to educate your customers about the benefits of using ACH payments. Incorporate a detailed breakdown of fees in your communications. This transparency can encourage customers to choose cheaper payment options. Also, review any chargeback fees associated with credit card transactions. Implement fraud prevention measures to minimize the risk of chargebacks. Utilize Stripe Radar, which helps detect and prevent fraud. Regularly analyze your financial data through Stripe's reporting features. This analysis can identify patterns and help you make informed decisions. Consider offering discounts for using alternative payment methods with lower fees. Finally, keep yourself updated on any changes in Stripe's fee structure. Being proactive can help you adapt to any potential changes that could impact your business. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your credit card fees with Stripe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.